Hey, it's Mama Juju from the back 40. I got so excited I had to do a quick short video. Remember on the other video I showed you this little nail stamp thing that I got from the Dollar Tree? I told you I thought it was a gel plate and it looked like a gel plate. It is. Look. Okay, so I was just playing around and I put some ink on my stamp and I stamped it on it. And it transferred, and look at it. Can you see that? I mean, it's clear too. And so then I thought, well, what else could we do? So, let's see. Oh, let's get some paper lace. Okay, here's some paper lace. And let's put just a little. Let's put it straight on here, just a tiny bit. And I'm going to rub it with my finger because I don't know what else to do right now. Cover it really good. Put the lace on it. Oh, look! Cute. Okay, sorry, just playing. Alright, now I'm going to get the second color. And it's not even open. If you want to know about this, it's that same ink same paint that I stole from sis. Hey sis! This one probably Craft Smart. It's either Michael or Joann's, and this one is blue. Navy blue. This one is that mermaid, I think. Yeah, mermaid's tail. Put a little bit. These I bought. I didn't steal this one from sis. I lied. I bought this one. Most all the other days came from sisters. Okay. And then I'm going to put this over top of it. Okay. And they just let dry and stuff in between, but we're not going to. We'll take it off. Look at the back. Transferred. See, and I think if you let it dry and do that one like you're supposed to, I think it'll do really good. Look at it just stamping away, and it stamps clean. Watch it. Just like a Geli Plate does. So, like little bitty, like the little birds, or the little bitty words, or the little bitty stamps. Like, here's this bat. Let's do this bat. Let's see. I haven't never used none ink on a stamp before, y'all. Okay. There we go. Oh, that looks gross. Okay. Take it off. It still looks like the bat though. I think I had too much on it. Yeah. I got too happy. Let's just keep doing it. Oh look, there's the bat. There's the bat. I had too much paint on it. Look. Okay, I'm going to let y'all go. Anyway, it's at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. And it's cute. I mean, it'll be like if you wanted just to do something really quick. Or if you had a little stamp that you wanted to do a stamp or layer a stamp on. With some ink, that'd be really cute. Or alcohol ink, that'd be really cute. $1.25, you get a couple of just some alcohol inks with stamp stuff. That'd be really cute. It's something to play around with. Anyway, run, get you one. Hope you enjoy it. Just want to let you know that it did work. Bye.